Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you legit online jobs in Kenya that pay through M-Pesa. These jobs are real, and many Kenyans are already making money online using them. Number 1 is freelancing. You can work online as a writer, data entry clerk, virtual assistant, or graphic designer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to apply for jobs and get paid through PayPal, then withdraw to M-Pesa. Number 2 is Microtask jobs. These are simple online tasks like surveys, image tagging, and data labeling. Websites like Toloka, Clickworker, and Microworkers are legit and available in Kenya. Some of them allow payment through PayPal, which you can withdraw to M-Pesa. Number 3 is online survey jobs. You can earn money by answering questions online. Sites like YouGov, Ipsos, and Mobrog are trusted and used by many people in Kenya. The pay is small, but it is legit. Number 4 is Kenyan online job websites. Some Kenyan platforms offer typing jobs, research jobs, and virtual assistant work. Some of them pay directly to M-Pesa after completing tasks. Number 5 is social media jobs. You can manage Facebook pages, TikTok accounts, or help businesses post online. Many Kenyan clients pay directly using M-Pesa. Important warning: do not pay money to get an online job. Most jobs that ask for registration fee, activation fee, or Telegram payment are scams. Those are some of the best legit online jobs in Kenya that pay through M-Pesa. If you want more job updates, subscribe to the channel and check the description for links.